Alright, what is up everybody and welcome back to CJ Sneakers. So today I got a how-to video for you guys. This one's going to be quick and simple. I'm not going to drag this video out. There's no need to. It's a very simple process, but pretty much I'm going to show you guys how to reset the suede on your shoes. Just want to let you guys know I have no idea what's going on with the mic. It was staticking throughout this whole video, so I apologize for that. I tried to use some noise cancellation to cut it out, but it's still there, so I apologize if it hurts your ears. So yeah, I'll try to make sure that doesn't happen again, but yeah. Here's the rest of the video. So I just recently got the Wheat 6s on eBay and they were a little dirty, so I cleaned them up. And as you can see, they look amazing now. And the suede has been reset. I don't know if you know what that means, but pretty much if you look at the shoe, it has all that texture going on. When you brush it this way, it goes this way. Brush it that way, it goes that way. So this is what it looks like after, and this is what it looks like before. I don't know how well you can see the difference, but yeah, the texture is just a lot different. The suede is definitely not there. It just feels rough. It doesn't feel how suede should be. I mean, even visually it looks a lot darker compared to this one, if you see what I'm saying. Yeah, that's the closest I can give to you, is reset the suede and not reset. But yeah, it's a very simple process, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that right now. So after you fully clean your shoes and after they're fully dry, you got to make sure they're all the way dry. The only thing that you're going to need is a brass brush. I prefer Reshoevn8r. I think all their products are amazing, so I have their brass brush right here. As you can see, the little bristles are made out of brass. Usually they have these plastic ones for cleaning, just because you want to be careful with delicate stuff. But when it comes to resetting the suede, you're going to need this specific brush. So it's very simple. All you need to do is just start brushing. Again, make sure it's completely dry, but just start brushing it in kind of one motion. Try to keep it in one general direction. It's okay to go back and forth, but don't you don't want to scrub it, or else you're going to start damaging it. So it's very simple, just like this. Just brushing it, just brushing it. That's all you gotta do. Try and keep it one direction. So I just did half. I want to show you real quick. I just brushed this half, and then there you go. As you can see, the suede is looking a lot nicer. Not brushed, brushed. Not brushed, brushed. I'm pretty sure you can see the difference. I hope you notice the difference. In person, you could feel the difference. Here's that toe box. You can tell that the suede has been reset right there. It's doing all kinds of stuff, which is what suede is supposed to do. I'm going to finish brushing it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That took me less than a minute. It's not that hard of a process. Suede looks amazing now, just like the other shoe. All I gotta do is lace them up. But yeah, so that's how to reset your suede on your shoes. If this video helped you guys out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you guys are new. But yeah, that's the end of this video. So thank you guys so much for watching, and peace out.
Perfect.